How to keep a relationship strong, how to keep the bond in a relationship strong. That's exactly what we are going to talk about in this video today. Hi beautiful souls, मैं हूँ Bithika. Welcome to Divine Healing YouTube channel. So, relationship bond and how to make it strong. See, we all get into relationship, we all go through ups and downs, and sometimes it gets really hard to go through all the situation, and the bond sometimes gets a little weak. So today I will discuss few points with you which will help you to keep the relationship with your partner strong, to make it more stronger. But before I start my video, make sure you subscribe my channel by hitting the red subscribe button below. I post videos every Monday to Friday. Okay, so let's begin with number 1. To make a relationship strong, you must have respect in the relationship. No matter how beautiful your relationship is, no matter how amazing things are, the chemistry, the everything so good, but when there is no respect in the relationship, it's going to be very hard and difficult for both of them to take it forward. And this respect should be both ways. When there is respect, there is a strong foundation in the relationship. Respect is like, the base of a cake. So you put all the dressings and cherry and everything, but there is no base. If you have a strong base, relationship is sure to go for longer period of time. And respect is something now. In a relationship, due to some situation, sometimes we lose a little love, right? We fight, we lose a little love. But when there will be respect in a relationship, that will take the relationship, that will never let a relationship to break. So respect is that one component that will never let your relationship break. And even if for any situation there is a break, there is a separation, respect will keep both of them in a very good frequency. There will be no hatred. That's the beauty of respect in a relationship. And when you are in a relationship, if you imbibe respect for each other, this is going to make your relationship the strongest. Number 2, apologize when it is needed and when you really, really mean it. So, in a relationship, it's important that you apologize when it is needed. When you know that you have done something wrong, when you know sometimes we feel like why we need to apologize. We just take our partners so, granted. Don't take your partner so granted. Let them understand that you have realized your mistake and do apologize. But only apologize when you really mean it. In some circumstances in relationship, just to maintain the relationship, just to, so that there is no fight, one person will apologize. One person will constantly say sorry, sorry, sorry. When you don't say sorry out of your heart, your person's soul, the vibration gets it that this person is faking. So your sorry doesn't mean anything. And when you genuinely say sorry, when you genuinely apologize, trust me, that sorry is always accepted. Even if not the body of your partner, the soul will always accept the truth, the apology. So apologize when it is needed in relationship. Don't get too stubborn, and apologize when you really mean it. Number 3, this is a very important thing to make your bond strong, make your relationship strong. Fight or argue to solve a problem between you two, not to win. Make yourself understand that you both are on the same side, on the same team. Yes. So if there is an argue, if there is a problem and you people are fighting and arguing, make sure the arguments is in such a way. Make sure you take the conscious decision. If your partner is not taking, you take it. Okay? And make sure that whatever you're arguing for, let it not get unsolved. Let it get solved at the same time. The motto should be towards solving that problem, not winning that argument, winning that fight. Because when you understand the fact that who you're fighting with, your partner, who is your teammate, who is in your side, on your side. So we don't fight with our teammates, right? So make sure whenever you're fighting for solving the problem that is creating the argument or the fight, not to win. Now, one more thing I wanted to add here is that sometimes your partner might not understand during the argument. So when things are cooled down, when things are perfectly all right, when you both are having a beautiful time together, let them understand that next time whenever we fight on something now, I'll remind you that we should argue or fight towards solving that problem, not to win. In this scenario, what will happen is you become conscious, you're making your partner conscious, aware, and on that heat of moment, that will come up. You will remind her, she will get reminded, or you will get reminded, and you both will argue, both will fight to solve that problem. Number 4, to make a relationship stronger, be the right one, not the perfect one. You don't have to be perfect. We cannot be perfect. No one is perfect. Only God is perfect and no one is perfect, right? So don't try to get too much into perfectionism, into everything. You have to look perfect, do perfect, speak perfect. Be the right one. Be in the right moment. Say the right thing in the right moment. Support your partner. Be that right guy or right girl for your partner, not that perfect one, because perfectionism always comes with a lot of constraints. There are a lot of boundaries, and your partner might not be perfect, so the frequency might not match, right? And don't expect your partner to be also a perfect one. Okay, let them be the right one. If they're doing the right thing for you, that's enough. That will make your relationship strong. The moment you go into perfectionism, that is when you're bringing some unrealistic things, because there's nothing called perfectionism in a relationship, because relationship keeps on evolving with time, with situations, circumstance. Okay, before moving on to the next point, let me remind you guys, if you love traveling, if you love watching travel vlogs, travel videos, you can check out my travel channel One Last Pithika. I post videos there every Wednesday and Friday. I post my travel stories, solo journeys, vlogs. I'm sure you guys will love it. Do check it out, link in description. And last but not least, number 5. Understand the friendship, the relationship, the companionship. Sometimes it's not just about love partner. You're my love partner, I'm a love partner. 2 people are close together coming. It's also about the friendship. It's also about the companionship. So when you understand the companionship, the friendship between 2, sometimes when there is an issue with love and, possessiveness and etc., friendship and companionship will always make things easier. How it happens with our friends, why things are so easy with our friends and so difficult with a partner, because we sometimes forget that this partner is also a friend, right? You both have been boyfriend and girlfriend, now dating and in a relationship. So this friendship things must sustain a relationship, and that is what gives a strength in the relationship, that makes a relationship stronger. See, they will be different. They have come up from different parents. You both have come up from different parents. There will be differences, but you have to understand that they are your better half. Better half. So that's how you need to treat them, and that will make your relationship strong. So that's all for today. I hope this video will help you to make your relationship with your partner stronger. Do let me know in the comment section your feedback about this video. What you do to make your relationship stronger, that also mention in the comment section. Subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care.